Hey guys, welcome back. And this video is for all those store owners or retail shop owners who want to take orders online and want to deliver their goods and products to their customers. So guys, this automation that we are about to set up is going to be really helpful for managing your orders, because here, as and when you are going to receive a order via an online form, a message will be delivered on WhatsApp to your customers and to yourself also automatically, along with all the order details that you have received via the form. Alright, so it will surely help you in managing your orders effectively. Let me show you how. So guys, here I have used Google Forms application to get orders. In place of this, you can use JotForm, Typeform, or any other form building application. All right. So here, as and when your customer is going to fill the form and submit the form, okay, and here we are taking the order details. The same order details are going to be delivered automatically to the customers as well as to you, so that you can instantly get to know what order you have received directly from WhatsApp, and then can work on those orders and start packaging the goods for your customers. So it will surely save your time and energy in you don't have to manually sort out the details of your order from the Google Forms, and you don't have to manually send these messages. It is going to happen automatically, and to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is, anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you have to use this link, pabbly.com/connect, and we have pasted this same link in the description as well. And from here, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and then log in to reach here on this dashboard. And here you have to create a workflow of automation. So just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as send order details on WhatsApp. Right, after giving the name, just click on create, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automations work on these two things. So trigger is the happening of any event which is going to triggers this workflow, and that event is going to make this workflow know that it is time to run. Okay, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be receiving of any order via the form that we are using, and the action towards that trigger would be send two messages. One is for the customer and another is for the shop owner. Okay, right. So first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, you need to choose the trigger application, the form application. So we are using Google Forms. Okay, select it, and the trigger event would be new response received. So you can read here, it will trigger when the form is submitted. Okay, right, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with our form, and after that, we are going to fetch the response of that connection here in this capture webhook response section. Okay, so you need to follow these instructions, these steps written here to make this connection. Let me show you how exactly we can do this. So first of all, you need to open your form. This is a form, Google Form application. And here we are collecting the responses of this form in this spreadsheet. You can see here. So this spreadsheet is connected with my order form. And as and when any person is going to fill this form and submit this form, the responses are going to be captured here. Okay, let me show you the form also. So this is a form. Here the customer is going to fill these things. Okay, and these are the products I am selling. I'm just showing you the example. You can change the form according to you. Okay, and the order will be received here like this, right? So here in this spreadsheet, what you have to do, you have to click on extensions, and from this add-ons option, click on get add-ons, and this window will open up, which is Google Workspace Marketplace. From here, you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, so you have to install this add-on here, which is Pabbly Connect webhooks. So it will just take 2 minutes, and as you can see, I have already installed it, so I do not need to do it again. So after installing this add-on here, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. After installing Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on, remember to refresh the spreadsheet. After that, when you click on extensions, you will find this Pabbly Connect webhooks option in the drop down only. And from here, you have to click on this initial setup option. Click on initial setup. And here you can see in the initial setup, we got two fields. The first is the webhook URL field and the second is the trigger column. So in the first field, we are going to copy this webhook URL and paste it here. And in the trigger column, we have to put the final data entry column of ours. So let me show you what a final data entry column is. So you can see these are the columns I have: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and the last column is the J column, where we are having the address of the customer. Okay, so guys, the J column is our final column, because we are going to start entering the data from the first column, then from the A column, then B, C, D, E, and finally when the data got entered here, that is going to trigger the workflow and the data will be sent to our workflow. Okay, so first of all, click on extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. Let me put J here in the trigger column. Right now, let me go back to my workflow and I'm going to copy this URL from here and I'm going to paste it here. Right here, let me put J in capitals. Right now, guys, we have filled these things and you can see in our workflow, as I have copied this URL, it started showing waiting for the webhooks response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submissions means we are going to capture some data from the form response sheet to here. Okay, so you can see I have already have some data of previous orders. So you can see in the initial setup, we have this button send test. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row will be sent to my workflow as the test data. Okay, and with the help of that test data, we are going to move forward in this automation. Right, so let me click on send test here. And you can see the test data has been sent successfully, and the data is this. This is the customer's name, Akash. This is the email ID, and these are the things related to the order. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data. You can see we got the data here in this response received section like this. Name of the person, email, mobile number or the WhatsApp number. Here are the product details. These are the things this person have ordered, right? So this is a test data. Now from here, from the initial setup, just click on submit and you can see the connection has been made. Now you have to do one thing more. Just click on extensions and from this Pabbly Connect webhooks option, select the event on which you want to send the data. So we want to send the data of order as and when we are going to receive the order here from the form. All right, so you have to click on this send on event button. So when you click on send on event button, what will happen? Whenever you got a new order, the data will be sent to the workflow and the automation will run. Right. Now guys, we are done with the first step. Now the next thing we want is to send a message to the customer as well to the shop owner. So for that to happen, we need to use this action step. And from this choose app field, you have to search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. So guys, WhatsApp Cloud API is Facebook's, or you can say WhatsApp's own business platform for business people, so that they can connect their business with WhatsApp. So if you want to know how to set up your Cloud API, you can check the videos in the description, guys, where we have clearly and thoroughly explained how to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API. All right, so do check those videos, set up your own Cloud API, then after that you can use it here, right? And let me continue here. The action event would be send template message. All right, then click on connect, and from this window, if you are making the connection with Cloud API, WhatsApp Cloud API for the very first time, you have to select this add new connection option, and then it will ask for the token, permanent access token of your WhatsApp Cloud API, the phone number ID and the business account ID. Okay, so if you want to know how to generate this permanent access token and how to find these things, you can click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach this forum page of Pabbly Connect, forum.pabbly.com. And on this page only, you can see we have one video embedded here to set up the cloud API. Second video is for generating the permanent access token for your cloud API setup. And after that, it has given in this page, we have the steps written along with the screenshots, and it has all the information you need to have to make the connection of Pabbly Connect and the cloud API. Okay, for these two things, I can show you where you can find this. Let me open my cloud API setup. So this is Meta for Developers page, guys. Here I have created an application named as My Connect Message app, and here I have set up my cloud API, and you can see I am under WhatsApp's Getting Started page. And in the Getting Started page, you will get the temporary access token first. But temporary tokens get expires in 24 hours. So you need to generate a permanent one so that you can run this automation in a long way. Okay. And here, so you know where to get the video on. You can check the video on how to generate permanent access token, and you have to keep it safe after generating it, because generating the permanent access token is a one-time process, and you can use the same token afterwards also to make the connections again, right? And here you can see in the send and receive messages section, we got the phone number ID here. You can copy it from here, paste it here in this field like this. So the second thing is the WhatsApp account ID. Here it is, just copy it, paste it here. And after that, you can fill the token if you got generated the permanent one, and just click on save, and you will be connected with WhatsApp Cloud API. So just like generating the permanent access token, this process is also a one-time process. All right. So once you made the connection by this process, and if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow next time you can use that existing connection that you have done before by selecting this existing connection option. So as I have already made a connection with my cloud API setup in a previous workflow, now I can use this existing connection option. And from this select connections field, I can choose any of my existing connections. So I'm choosing this one, WhatsApp Cloud API final connection. Okay. And then I just have to click on save, and you can see we'll be connected again like this. Okay. Right. And here it is asking for the templates name. So before selecting the template here, let me tell you what templates are. So this is my cloud API setup. Here you can see in this send messages with the API section. Here it is written to create your own message template. Click here. Let me click here on the here word. And these are the templates that we need to have created here. First, let me show you one. So message templates, guys, are nothing but the predefined standard message structures by which we can send messages to multiple people at a time on WhatsApp. Okay. So in a message template, you can have a header, you can have the main body of your message that you want to send, a footer, or you can add a call to action button as well. And you can see the preview of those message templates here only. So this is a typical template I have created for any reason, and this is how it is going to look on WhatsApp when I am going to send it. And okay, so it is written, thank you so much for giving your valuable time for our feedback. So it is for feedback response message. Okay. And here you can see in the body, we have this one in double curly braces. And when you scroll down, you will find this two in double curly braces also. So guys, these are the variable tags I have added in the message body. So we need to have some variable tags or body fields added in strategic places in our message template, so that we can get these things changed dynamically in a new message, in new automated message. You can see after hi, in this first variable, we are going to put the name of the person to whom we are sending the message. So in real time, the message will look like this. In place of the tag, there will be the name. Okay. And in the second tag, there will be the name of my business. Okay. So to get these things changed automatically in a new message, we are going to map the values of these messages in our map the values of these body tags, or sorry, variables in our workflow. Okay. So And if you want to create one for yourself, let me show you how you can do that. Here you can see we have this create message template button. Just click on it, and these are the categories in which you can create message templates: the transactional category, the marketing, or one-time passwords. So let me select one. Let me select transactional here. After selecting the category, you can give a name to your template. After that, you can select the language in which you want to send the message, right? And after that, you just have to click on continue, and another page will open up. Here you can add a header in your message. In that header, you can put text or media, an image, video, document, anything. Here in the body box, you have to type the main body of your message. So let me type here hello, right? This is how you can type the body. And if you want to add variable text, just click here on this add variable button, and that's how you can add text. All right, so you have to put these texts in correct places, and you can check your preview also from here only. So after creating your template, just submit it by clicking here on submit button. Right now I'm canceling this. So once you get your message template submitted, Facebook is going to review that template and approve it, and it will just take few minutes to get it approved. After that, you can use it to send messages. Now let me show you the template that I am going to use to send message to my customer first. So this is a message I am going to send to my customer, this grocery underscore order. This is a template I have created for a grocery store example. Okay, and this is the preview of this template. That's how the message is going to look like, right? Let me select this template from this list. Grocery underscore order is here. Select it, and you can see the language code and the template ID is auto populated. No need to do anything there. Here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number of your customer to whom you want to send the message. So guys, here to put the number, I am going to use this test data that I have received from our Google Forms. All right, here we got this mobile number label in which we got the WhatsApp number of this test person. Okay, so I'm going to map this label here. So to map the label, just click here and it will show you the Google Forms step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only, by clicking on this label, you can map it like this. All right, and you have to map it and you have to enter the number in this format with a country code 91 and without any plus sign, simply like this. All right, so when you map the label like this, what will happen? Whenever you are going to receive an order from the form, this label is going to change and a new message will be delivered to the new customer, right? Here it is asking for the body field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let me show you in my message body. Well, actually we have 7 variables, tags, or the body fields added here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so because these are the dynamic things, these are the things which are going to change with every new order. That's why I have placed these things, these tags here. Okay, so you can see in the first variable, I am going to map the name of the person, and in all these other fields, I'm going to map the quantity, the order that I have received actually from the form. I'm going to map it here. All right. Here I'm going to map the address of the person, right? Let us do this. So to map the data, I'm going to use the test data from the first tab. Just click here, and from this Google Forms tab, map the name. For the second body field, select the first product. Third body field, select the second product. Fourth body field, select the first, second, third product. Okay, the fifth, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so it hasn't ordered for the maize. Let it be blank only. For the okay, let me map other products. Okay, so we are done mapping the products. Now what remains? Let us check in the template. Okay, here in the 7th body field, I am going to map the address of the person. This is the address details, right? So we are done mapping the data. Now you can check your connection also by clicking on save and send test request, and you can send a test message to this person's number. Okay, so uh, I'm going to show you how the message will appear when I'm going to send the message to my number or to the number of the shop owner. Okay, for now I'm going to save this step. Just click on save here. All right. Now this step is for sending the WhatsApp message to the customer. Here guys, I'm going to use another action step in which I'm going to use Cloud API again to send a message to the shop owner. Now for that to happen, you just clone this step. Okay, you need not to click. Another way is that just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up. From here choose the Cloud API, then make the connection again, or else what you can do, you can just clone this step. So just click here on this clone step button, you can see, click on it and then click on clone now, and this same step will be cloned here like this. Let me show you. Here we got the third step, which is the same. Let me open this. Here guys, we are just going to change the template and then we'll map the data again and we'll proceed. So for the shop owner, I have created another template. Let me show you. So guys, this is the message template that I have created for the shop or store owner, named as grocery underscore order underscore details. And this is the preview of this template you can see here. Right, you have received a new order from this person, and it also have 5, 6, 7, I think 7 body fields we have here. So let me change this template from here. Okay, so it is not showing the template. Let me refresh this. All right, so here you can see it started showing the template's name, and this is the template we are using, grocery order details. And after that, let me okay, so here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here I'm going to, you can put your number, that means the number of store owner. Okay, so right now I'm going to put my number so that I can show you the demo. All right, and after that, in the body field 1, let's see what is in the body field 1. So here in the first body field, you can see we have received a new order from. So here we are going to map the name of the customer, then the things the person has ordered will be mapped here, and run the remaining body fields. Okay, so let us map the data. So first body field is for the customer from whom we have received the order. Second body field is for the order summary. Okay, for the products that the person has purchased. Okay, this is third thing, this is the fourth thing, this is the fifth thing. Okay, and in the last body field I'm going to map the address. Okay, so we have mapped the data for the shop owner now, and I can show you how the message will look like because I have the access of this WhatsApp number. This is the WhatsApp account, and you can check this connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request. So guys, this is the message we have received. You can see, hello Akash, you have received a new order from Akash Bhelkar and the order details are these. Okay, so this is the message for the shop owner, and in the previous step we have connected WhatsApp Cloud API to send a message for the customer. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So as and when you are going to receive an order from the firm, the WhatsApp messages are going to be delivered like this automatically, and it will help you in efficiently handle your orders. And the good part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section.
And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.